Hey people, alright, good morning. We're in Virginia. Now, heard this funny noise outside, so I went and had a look. Look at this. I thought ice rain, I've been told. Look at that. Looks like snow. Snow, but it's hard. Wow. It reminds me of hail back home. Yeah. It reminds me of hail, but hail back home usually melts as soon as it hits the ground. But on the ground, yeah, it's melting, but in the car it's not melting. Oh, it's cold. Very cold. Oh, wow. Too interesting. Oh, I was down Walmart, and it's my first experience with camo pants. Nice. Right, thing is, I had to try and figure out the size, because in Australia we use centimeters, not inches. So it's quite interesting. So turned out that I'm 38 by 32 long, I think. But no, so these ones are pretty cool because they're polar fleeced. Nice. I don't actually have these at home. So it was quite a new experience. I think for the colder weather might be better. So I figured I might gossip about what I think of my polar fleece camo pants. I'm trying to fit it in the area, because that's what it's about, isn't it? Fitting in with the locals. In this case, it's more like yokels. Oh, what used to be there? Interesting. Oh wow. This is Motel 6 in Harrisonburg. I don't know how empty it looks. So then it's a big space here, but for some reason they put that there. It looks very cluttered. Instead of putting it here, where you'd actually have access to the PowerPoints. But now you have no access to no PowerPoints, and it's attached to the wall. All right. But other than that, you have your bar fridge. Just going to stand in with this one, and a microwave. Ooh. I always unplug the fridge because they're always noisy at night time, and they always wake me up. But other than that, the orange really grows on you, does not. What else we got? This is actually quite classy. The shower head's quite awkward with me because it's not high enough. Because I'm 6'4" and the shower head's usually comes to my shoulders. So I'm virtually kneeling to have a shower. But other than that, it's not too bad. Alright, until next time people.